This is the tried and true window cleaner technique. Hey everyone, Bailey Boer here with Pink's Windows West Houston. We're on a project where we clean this house twice a year. Today we're focused on the exterior windows and the interior windows. Let's take a look at the project. So last time we were here 6 months ago, we did the driveway and we did exterior window clean. Today we're doing exterior window clean and interior window clean. This right here is a reverse osmosis deionization machine. What it does is takes out all the impurities of the water to give us 0 parts per million. That means we can leave water on your windows and it'll dry spot-free, streak-free, all that good stuff. So over here we're using our water-fed poles to clean the windows. This keeps our feet on the ground, safe for us, great for the homeowner, no ladders involved. On the left side, we're focused on the frames here. We're getting all the dirt out of the corners there. The bottom's really good. That's where a lot of the dirt builds up. And the benefits of getting your frames cleaned really well, and why we do that, is that helps all the rubbers that help seal your windows, the gas in between the 2 panes, keep that locked in there tight so you don't ever get those foggy windows and a leak seal. On the right side, he's focused on the glass. He's getting every inch of that glass really good. We're getting all the dirt off, and you're gonna have a nice streak-free window when it's all said and done. Over here, we've got 2 feet on the ground. We can reach this window with our feet, no step stools, no ladders involved. So we're gonna use the mop and squeegee method. This is the tried and true window cleaner technique. The beauty of this is your squeegee gets all the dirt off the window. It's all about getting it nice and mopped up. We don't use anything super special here. Dawn just soap and elbow grease is gonna get all your spots off there. And then once you get it nice and soaped up, now comes the squeegee. The squeegee removes all that dirt. Think when you're at the gas station and you clean your windows with that dirty water they have there and it still gets your windows clean. Squeegee is doing all the work here. Now that we've finished the squeegee, here comes the final step. We take a towel and we go over that window one more time. This makes sure any little bit of watermarks that get left behind are wiped up clean and you get a spot-free window. When you go with Pink's Windows West Houston, what you're getting with your window clean is you're getting 10+ years experience on the job. You're getting guys that know how to tackle a situation. If we can't get that window clean with the water-fed pole, we're throwing up a ladder and doing it by hand to make sure you get the quality results that you asked for. You're also getting a background checked employee, an actual employee, not a 1099 contractor showing up to your house. You're gonna see the Pink's van when we pull up. Our guys are gonna come out with uniforms on. You're gonna know why we're here and what we're gonna do as soon as you hire us.